Hi friends, as I said, I'm back with another video. This time it's something different, dark mode or night mode, which is a trend now. Everybody wants to have dark mode or night mode in their mobile. They even want to have it with all the apps which they use. There could be many reasons for it. First of all, it gives a very cool look to your mobile. Secondly, white text are easy to read on a black or dark background. Also, it gives good contrast on your screen. It also saves your battery. Dark mode is supported in most of the commonly used apps like Instagram, YouTube and Twitter. But unfortunately, Facebook has not come up with dark mode support. But we can enable dark mode on Facebook Messenger as well as Google Chrome. Now, I will show you how to enable that on your mobile. So let's start the video. Open the app, send a crescent emoji to any of your friends, or you can send it to yourself. Then restart the app, go to the settings. There you will see a dark mode toggle. Enable it and start using it. It's very simple, right? Now I will show you how to enable dark mode on Google Chrome. First, open Chrome page, type chrome/flags as shown in the video. Then you will see this page. Here you have to type dark mode. First, you have to enable dark mode on Android web content. Second, enable on Android Chrome UI. Now click the relaunch button. After these steps, also you can see that dark mode setup option is not shown in the Chrome settings. Now you have to force stop the Chrome app and also remove it from the history. Now you can open the app, go to settings. There you will find the option for dark mode setting. Enable it and start using it. So guys, I hope you liked my video. If you're watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button and share the video with your family and friends, and also please press the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye!